back to Ice Punny Videos. You must be wondering why I'm wearing all green. Well, we are making St. Patrick's Day cupcakes today. You can bake these on St. Patrick's Day with your family and friends. Here are the ingredients for the cupcakes. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 package of pistachio pudding mix. Some vanilla extract. Some green food coloring. Half a cup of oil. 1 1/4 cup of milk. And 2 eggs. You can buy your own cream cheese frosting, but I'm going to show you how to make your own. So here are the ingredients. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, 8 ounces of cream cheese, some vanilla extract, and green food coloring, which is optional, but we will be using it since we're baking St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. And cute little cake toppers. You can buy your own from Party City or craft stores, but I made my own. We will be preparing our frosting first because it needs to stay in the fridge while we bake our cupcakes. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first step is to mix the cream cheese, our butter, and our vanilla extract with an electric mixer until light and fluffy. I have mixed my cream cheese, butter, and vanilla extract. I mixed it for around 2 minutes at a medium speed. It should be nice and fluffy. Now we're going to mix our powdered sugar little by little. It should be sifted before put into the bowl, otherwise it's going to be a hard time piping the icing. We will be mixing a little bit of the sugar at a time with our electric mixer. I've beaten all my sugar into my cream cheese frosting. Now I'm going to add my green food coloring and beat that in too. I'm going to put my icing into the fridge until we bake the cupcakes. Time to make our cupcakes. First step, we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together, starting with our all-purpose flour, our sugar, our baking powder, our salt, and our instant pistachio pudding mix. In another bowl, we are going to mix all our wet ingredients, starting with our eggs, our oil, our milk, and our vanilla extract. I'm going to beat all our wet ingredients together. I have turned my oven on to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to mix our wet mixture into our dry mixture. I'm going to use an electric mixer to mix them together. I'm going to spray my cupcake pan with some Bake Easy. This dough will roughly make 12 cupcakes. I'm going to fill the dough 3/4 in each cupcake. I've taken my cupcakes out of the oven and let them cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure they're perfectly cooled down, otherwise your icing will melt. I've gotten my icing bag ready with the icing we've prepared earlier. Now I'm going to ice my cupcakes and top them with the little toppers. I have iced all my cupcakes with our cream cheese frosting. Hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy St. Patrick's Day! See you next time. Bye!